How do governments make money? Taxes, fees, and borrowing explained. Governments do many important things. They build roads and schools. They pay teachers, doctors, and police officers. To do all of this, governments need money. So, how do governments make money? Let's find out. Governments get money in three main ways. First, taxes. Second, fees and fines. Third, borrowing. Let's look at each one, starting with the most important. 1. Taxes. Taxes are money that people and businesses must pay to the government. Most people pay taxes regularly. There are many types of taxes. Income tax is taken from your salary. Sales tax, or VAT, is paid when you buy things. Businesses also pay taxes on their profits. Taxes are the main source of government money. Without taxes, governments cannot run schools, hospitals, or public services. This is why governments collect taxes. 2. Fees and fines. Governments also earn money from fees. Fees are payments for specific services. For example, you pay a fee for a passport or a driving license. You only pay a fee if you use the service. Fines are different. Fines are penalties for breaking rules. For example, traffic fines or parking fines. Governments do not depend on fines to make money. Fines are mainly used to control behavior and enforce laws. 3. Borrowing. Sometimes, governments spend more money than they collect. When this happens, they borrow money. Governments borrow money from banks, investors, or other countries. This is called government debt. Borrowed money must be paid back later. Usually, it must be paid back with interest. Borrowing can help during emergencies, but it cannot replace taxes. Summary. So how do governments make money? They use taxes as the main source. They collect fees and fines for services and rules. And they borrow money when needed. Taxes keep governments running. Fees pay for services. Borrowing fills the gap. These are the basic ideas behind how governments make money.